Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. It's 9 a.m. right now. I've just been literally editing on my laptop all morning. I'm now going to make myself some breakfast, feed Carl, make sure his water's all good, and then later today I am so excited because I'm gonna be getting my hair done. I'm gonna be getting myself some bangs. I don't know whether I want to do like a full-on bang like this or if I want to do a side bang. I've just been really obsessed with bangs recently. Like, I saw this picture of Kim Kardashian, which, I mean, it's Kim Kardashian, so like I don't know why I always look at her photos, but I love this. Like, that looks so cute. Not too thick. Like, how freaking beautiful is that? I just want it so bad. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Hopefully it goes well, because I know that is the one thing that people regret. Like, people regret getting their bangs, and I'm just like, I don't know if I'm gonna regret it. Like, I know it's like a little bit more high maintenance, but I'd need an excuse to go get my hair trimmed anyway, because I'll just leave it for months on end if I don't. Anyways, I gotta go feed Carl because he's really giving me a stank eye. Morning, Carl. Good morning.
Get out of here.
Oh.
How many times I gotta tell you I'm going to punch you out?
Oh my god. Ah. What the hell? I swear he's nice to me when we're not on camera.
No, I'm not.
When we're on camera, he's like the meanest person in the world. But when we're not on camera, he like loves me. I think it's like just a boy thing, a teenager thing, you know? You have to act like you hate your mom, and then in private you're like, maybe before I eat, I'm gonna have my advent calendar. Yeah. Oh, is this the normal one? I like how I'm not excited for the normal ones. I got a little elf. Just made myself a little breakfast. I have a fruit salad with raspberries, pears, and bananas, which I don't think are gonna taste good together. And then I have beans on toast and eggs, which is so good. I'm nervous. Doesn't taste as bad as I thought it would, actually. It doesn't really taste like anything because the banana and the raspberry are tangy, but then the pear is so sweet that it takes away the tangy, so it doesn't really taste like anything. I don't think I request that in a restaurant, but I mean, it's not really that bad. Tell me what you think of that if you do try it. Okay, now are you my friend now that I gave you some water and breakfast?
No, get that nasty finger away from me.
So it's like 4 p.m. right now. Look how dark it is, first of all. It's crazy. So I'm about like 20 minutes early for this appointment, so I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll film like the lane because it's like really, just a lot of people looking at me. Maybe I'll go film the lights on the lane. So yeah, I am really nervous. I mean, I'm actually kind of excited, but I'm pretty nervous to go get my hair done because I just realized when my hair is curly, I still have to straighten it. You know, this place is bougie when I literally was asked what I want to drink. She asked, do you want Prosecco, wine, or gin? And I was like, wine, all up on that. Please and thank you. Okay, this is my hair. So we're now in Charlie's Sweet Emporium, the candy store, and we're getting some marshmallows. This is what my hair looks like. I actually really like it.
These are quite nice.
Mmm, that's so good.
$3.50. It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Do you have fun walking like this?
Francesco's now going shoe shopping. Yeah, I honestly feel so weird with these bangs. Like, I don't know Francesco really likes them. I think I just have to get used to them. Oh my god, oh my god! Francesco! I was following you! Yeah, I was! Do you wanna see? Okay, so we're just on our way into 7 Bone. Apparently it's like the best burger joint in Whoa. These have really interesting names. Prince Charles is overrated. Donnie J. Trump. So I got the Robert Johnson, which comes with truffles, truffle mayo, and it looks so good. Oh my god. That's really good. That's so good. We rushed home because we have to put Carl to bed. His bedtime's at 8 o'clock. And he's ready on his bedtime branch. So I just have to spray him quickly and then turn off his lights and then he can go to bed. You guys know exactly what I'm gonna play right now, don't you?
Not again.
He knows exactly what's gonna happen. Good night, buddy. So Carl's sleeping. Let's take a Waffles. Hey, Waffles.
Howdy.
You wanna come out?
Yes, please.
Hi, buddy. Oh, sweet. Waffles.
Why do you talk to me? I'm deaf.
When I say he's the sweetest snake in the world, like I really do mean that. He's so sweet.
Kiss, kiss.
We're gonna actually be doing the Christmas tree today because it's the 7th of December and we still don't have our Christmas tree up. How crazy is that? So I'm gonna edit a little bit while I'm waiting for Francesco to finish watching his football game, as well as talk to you about why I didn't post a video today, which was yesterday for you. But I'll tell you one story quickly before I start talking. So when we were at the restaurant, we were eating our fries. They had this hot sauce on the side of the table. I'm not joking, it was so good. Like it was like the perfect amount of spice. Like it's a little bit spicier than Tabasco. It tastes better. So I asked the server, I was like, hey, like, can you tell me where we can buy that sauce? Because it's just like the best hot sauce I've ever had. She went to go ask the manager. The manager was like, I'm not really sure where we buy them, but we have a bunch, so we'll just give you one for free. So he literally gave us a free hot sauce. How freaking sweet is that? You guys can tell me where you can buy these. Let me know because it's so good. Louisiana, the perfect hot sauce. One drop does it. Definitely recommend if you guys try that. And definitely recommend if you go visit that restaurant. I got recommended it by a friend who said it had like the best burgers in town, and girl, like it literally does. It's so good. Like it literally tastes on par with Shake Shack, minus they don't have that amazing sauce. The service was amazing. I had a really good experience. Anyways, before I continue editing my video, let me just quickly talk about why I didn't post today, which was yesterday. I'm not gonna make this dramatic or anything. I'll just be really honest with you. I had a really bad day yesterday. Like it was really hard for me to edit because I just didn't seem like myself. I was kind of upset. And I'm just not really comfortable posting a video that I'm not proud of. When I post a video, I know I want them to be real, but I also want them to brighten up your day too. I went to go volunteer. I had an amazing day volunteering, and I'm kind of bummed that I'm not going to use that footage, but I'm volunteering again this week anyway, so you guys will see me volunteering there. Then I went home. It was like 4 p.m. I was exhausted. I was just putting so much pressure on myself, guys. Like, I mean, it was 10:30 at night and I was like, okay, what is gonna be today's video? I can't just have a chill vlog of me going volunteering and then coming home cooking, which I totally can. I need to like drill it into my head that like this is for fun. I'm not like trying to stage my life. Like if my life is literally just me going to the animal sanctuary and coming home and that's my video, like that's my video. And like for some reason I just wouldn't let myself have a chill day. So I ended up dyeing my hair at like 10:30 p.m. just so I could have some content. Then after that, I was planning on decorating my Christmas tree at like 11. Obviously I didn't because that's insane. I was so tired. But I mean, like the fact that I was pressuring myself so much to do things just to have content just for Vlogmas was insane. I've just been putting so much freaking pressure on myself. And I'm like, why am I doing that? Like this is fun. You guys don't mind if I post like a chill day. I love to watch chill vlogs. But like I think it was good for me to have that day because now like I've kind of realized what I'm doing. So yeah, that's why I didn't post the vlog. I hope you guys understand. I hope I don't sound like I'm just moaning, but I just want my videos to reflect me, my day, my actual day, and without pressuring myself. So that's why I'm not posting it. I'm giving myself a brand new fresh start starting today. I hope you guys don't mind. I think you guys won't. It's Saturday anyways. Y'all better be going out to your Christmas parties or just chilling at home like me. But yeah, I hope that kind of cleared things up. I hope that you guys understand. But I just had a bad day. The thing is like, I'm not gonna hide it. I'd rather talk about my bad day and talk about what I learned from it rather than show my bad day. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I'm just gonna edit for a little bit, and then in a bit when Francesco's done watching his football, I am going to decorate the tree because it's been 7 days of December. It's gonna be the 8th tomorrow. Holy I haven't even started my Christmas shopping. Like, I'm screwed. By the way, let me know your honest opinion. Do you like the bangs? Yes or no? I'm actually digging it, but I feel like it makes me look 10 years older, or it makes me look 10 years younger. I don't know. But yeah, I've been really enjoying Vlogmas so far. Some of you guys have commented saying that like I just seem less overwhelmed and like less stressed. And honestly, like I have been having so much fun with Vlogmas. Minus yesterday, I've been having so much fun, like sitting down every day, editing, filming. It's been like a blast. So I just want to have really positive vibes from here on all the way to Christmas, which I know we will. And I've been really loving you guys' like comments as well. Like honestly, like I feel like crying because you guys are so sweet. Like every time I post a video, I just have like a bunch of you guys commenting. So anyways, I'm gonna start editing and then I will see you guys in a little bit when we start decorating the tree. Waffles.
What in the actual hell is going on here? Maybe if I stick my head up high it will stop.
Oh my god, Francesco is looking at it, look. I'm gonna go to bed now, guys. It's 12:30 a.m. so I may as well start Vlogmas Day 8 right now. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. And I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get my bangs done, decorating the Christmas tree. I'm so happy I finally put it up. Like I feel really Christmassy and cozy now. Like it just is so nice. And all these lights and everything. It's really cute. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.